Why was GraphQL introduced and how is it different from REST APIs? Originally developed by Facebook in 2012 and subsequently made open source in 2015, GraphQL was created to address the limitations found in RESTful API design. It enables clients to define their data needs with precision, guaranteeing that the server's response aligns perfectly with the requested format. This alignment cuts down on extra data exchange, thereby minimizing overhead and boosting efficiency. More than just fetching data, GraphQL also supports data modification and updates via mutation queries, offering a comprehensive solution for both acquiring and modifying data. GraphQL API Unified Endpoint GraphQL API Unified Endpoint. Unlike traditional APIs, GraphQL employs a singular endpoint for handling all types of queries and mutations. This centralization simplifies the API structure as it removes the need for managing multitude of endpoints. Client-driven data requests. In GraphQL, clients have the ability to detail precisely the data they require in a query. This specifically allows for a reduction in data transfer and enhances overall performance as only necessary data is communicated. Strictly defined schema. At the core of a GraphQL API is a strictly enforced schema. This schema clearly defines the data available for querying and its structure, aiding in both data validation and introspection. REST API. Now, REST API, multiple resource endpoints. RESTful APIs generally utilize a range of endpoints, each associated with a specific resource or group of resources. Although functional, this setup can become cumbersome and complex, especially as the application grows and evolves. Server control data structure. In REST, it's the server that determines the structure of data returned from each endpoint. This can lead to issues such as overfetching or underfetching of data, where clients either receive more information than needed or lack sufficient data for their requirements. Flexible typing. REST APIs typically do not impose a strict schema. This flexibility can be advantageous but also introduce a higher potential for unpredictability and errors as the data structure is less rigidly defined. The difference between GraphQL API and REST API.